In this video, we will see the meaning of symbols on mobile charger and the rating of a charger. You may be seen many symbols and ratings are there on the mobile charger. So let's know about it. In this picture, the input voltage rating is 100 to 240 volt AC. That means the charger will work when it's supplied by AC voltage between 100 volt to 240 volt. Here we can see the input current rating is 0.15 ampere. That means the charger will draw maximum current of 0.15 ampere. So the maximum input power at 100 volt of the charger is 100 into 0.15 equal to 15 volt ampere, and the maximum input power at 240 volt of the charger is 240 into 0.15 equal to 36 volt ampere. In this picture, the input frequency rating is 50 to 60 Hz. That means the charger can be operated at the frequency between 50 Hz to 60 Hz. We can see the output voltage rating is 5 volt DC. The symbol indicates DC. These all are the ratings usually shown on mobile charger. Now we will see the meaning of symbols on mobile charger. First one is the square symbol. This is a symbol of double insulated. If we see the PCB of mobile charger, there is very less use of wiring connection and the connections are direct inbuilt. So if this is a double insulated, the inputs and outputs are fully isolated from each other. That means wire inside the charger are well coated and there is no chances left that one gets an electric shock from the charger. If this symbol is not present in your charger, then the possibilities of getting electric shock increases. Second one is the V symbol. This is not a V symbol. Actually, it is written in a Roman language, which means 5, which shows the power level efficiency of your charger. And this 5 is a standard one. In local charger, one doesn't get to see this type of symbol on it. Some of chargers have the symbol of 6 also. As we know, the refrigerators and air conditioners have star rating. For example, this refrigerator is of 4-star rating and this AC is of 5-star rating. Here rating indicates the output efficiency of equipment. In such a manner, mobile charger have the symbols 5 or 6 indicates the power level efficiency of the charger. Next one is the home symbol. The home symbol signifies that one can use that product in home only, where one gets a proper power supply of 220 volt and neither too dim nor too high, and never to use under direct sunlight. Otherwise, there are the chances of explosion increases. Next symbol is dustbin symbol. This type of symbol is seen in every type of electric product like battery, mobile, etc., which says that one should not throw this in dustbin. Instead, give this to a right place where it can be recycled. If any electric or electronic product can damage, then we can return it to the service center or throw it in the dustbin placed in service center because we can recycle that products. Next symbol is exclamatory symbol. This symbol is an exclamatory mark placed in a triangle. It can be seen rarely on a charger. It means that the device cannot follow the wireless regulation. For example, the wireless charging of iPhone is at 2.4 GHz. In case if I use this in India and the radio frequency is also 2.4 GHz, then both frequencies will match and it may produce distortion in iPhone and it can't work properly. So this type of charger is used in some countries only. Last one is the ISIEC symbol. This is a standard symbol which shows that your charger has been successfully tested in the center and then it is made available for general use.